So in today's video, guys, I want to show you how to make someone moderator on TikTok Live. What's up, guys? My name is Zig, the programming guy. Now, making someone your moderator on your TikTok Live is very easy, and I'm going to show you how. Now, the first step to take is, of course, open your TikTok app. Now, once you open your TikTok app, you have to click on this plus icon at the bottom of your screen, like you do when you want to upload your regular videos. So after clicking on that, you find these options at the bottom. Alright, so just scroll and select the live option. Now you can only find this live option if you have up to 1,000 followers on TikTok. If you don't, you're not going to find this option. So once you click on the live option, then you find all these options at the right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and select the settings icon and then select moderators. Now from here you find this icon at the top right corner of these display popped up option. So click on that. Then now you can search for users to make your moderator on your TikTok Live, or you can add users from here. So guys, this is how you can make someone your moderator on TikTok Live. I hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.